So what's up everyone, Joshua Olua here again. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick one, how you can actually get your ad campaigns that have been deleted, how you can actually retrieve them back. Okay, so let's say you're in a situation, for instance, you are trying to look through your ads manager and just by mistake or mistakenly, you probably have deleted your ads or your campaign and you're like, oh my God, how am I going to get this back? Like you've lost everything, you've lost the data, you've lost the whole information, and you don't even know maybe how you can get back the whole data or the whole information. So I'm going to show you today quickly how you can actually retrieve the whole of the campaign back. But now this is not to say that once you are able to retrieve it back, now it's going to be able to run back as it was before. It's not like you turned it off, you actually deleted it. And according to Facebook, they said you were not going to be able to get that ads back. But today I want to show you how you can get it back. You can actually get it back and still reset it back and get it to run live. Okay. So if you are not in this situation, you possibly would have been in another situation, which is you possibly have had your ads account or your ad page, your, you possibly have had your business page banned while you were running ads, and you actually deleted the ads at the campaign level, only for you to discover maybe after 24 hours or 48 hours of requesting for review that you're able to get back the ads account. All right. So if you were able to get back that account, here is something that you want to do to be able to get back the ads that you've actually deleted from your ads manager. All right. So quick one, I'm going to try this for you. I'm going to show you how it's done. By first, I'm going to delete an ads that is currently running or an ads that's actually stopped running actually. And I'm going to delete the ads from the campaign level. Then I'm also going to show you how we can get the ads back. All right. So right here is my ads manager. So I'm just going to refresh it. Okay. So as you can see, there are two ads currently running right now at the moment. And this one is turned off already. These two are actually turned off. So here's what I want to do. I want to delete one of these ads, and you can see the metrics. You can see for yourself that they were actually running before now. You can see for yourself they were actually running before now. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to delete this campaign from here. So I'm just going to tap on it to delete it and click on this part, and I'm going to click on now. Before I delete it, I want you to take note of the name. You can see SWC Broad TOFUGH. Okay, so take note of the name so that when we retrieve it back, you will be sure that it is the exact same thing. Okay, so let's go to the ad sets first. So you see the ad set also. This is the ad set, and this are the campaign. These are the ads itself. So you can see we have two ads here. All right. So let's go back. Let's go back to the campaign level. And from the campaign level now, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on delete. Now, watch this. If you delete this campaign, you won't be able to recover it later. You can see. So once it's deleted, it's permanently deleted. Like that's what a lot of people actually assume, and it's what a lot of people think. I used to think that way too, until I discovered how to actually get it back. And let me refresh it first. Refresh it. Okay, so you can see it's gone. So how can we get it back? Simple. Just head over to this search filter bar. Just go and search for deleted. Search for deleted. Now, watch. We have about 6 or 7 stuff here with the word delete. Okay, so this is campaign name that contains delete, ad set name that contains delete. This also adds name that contains delete, and these are not what we're looking for. So what you're going to be looking out for is a campaign delivery which is deleted, which is actually deleted, or an ad set delivery that is actually deleted, or an ads delivery that is actually deleted, right? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to start from the campaign level. So you click on this campaign delivery. Now watch this. You see, we'll be able to get back the same campaign that we deleted. You can see it. You can see the statistics, right? You can see everything. Okay. Now, the thing about this is that once you get this campaign back, if you go to the ad set, you will discover that nothing is there. If you go to the ads level, you discover also that nothing is there. So how are you supposed to get all that data back? You're just going to go back and still go to the same search and click on the same search and search for deleted. So you're going to be able to get ad set delivery that is deleted, and also the ad level. You're going to also search for delete. You're going to get the ad level delivery that is deleted. Okay. So now that you have done this, what you're just going to do is, this is the campaign that has been retrieved. This is the ad set that has been retrieved. This is it right here. This is the ad also that has been retrieved. As you can see it has all the data that was with it before we deleted the campaign, right? Okay, so this one thing you're going to now do for you to be able to get back this whole information and run it again. Here's what you can do. We already have clicked on it, so it is highlighted already. Now you're just going to click on duplicate. Now once you click on duplicate, you're just going to click on duplicate as 1. So once you click on duplicate as 1, you're going to have the whole information duplicated. Now, here's something we need to take note of. If you look through very well, you see that only the campaign was duplicated, right? So for us to get the whole information, we actually need the whole information. We don't just need the campaign alone to be duplicated. What you are going to do is, you're going to actually once this is duplicated, you can actually tell this to go live. Let's see the duplicated one. I'm trying to look for the one that's duplicated. Okay, this is duplicated one. Okay, so this is it. So we're now going to click and publish it live, so that it's, yep, I think this is it. So I'm going to click on it and click on publish. Okay, so now that you've clicked on publish, it's no longer going to be showing here. What you're now going to do again is go to the ad set level. Go to the ad set level for the ads for the campaign that was previously deleted. Click on this. Go to the ad sets. Okay, now this was also deleted. You're now going to click on duplicate at this point. Now, when you're duplicating, you're going to duplicate into an existing campaign. Okay, so you're going to search for the existing campaign, which is what we just got here, which is this one. You can see this is the existing campaign. Duplicate it there. Okay, okay, so we have the campaign, we have the ad sets ready. Now that you have the ad set ready, next thing you can do is go to ads, go to the ads level. Okay, so we actually have to go back and tap on highlight the deleted ads. You can see this is the deleted one. Highlight it, then come to ads, and you're going to see the ads that were previously running. So what we're going to do is tap on this so that it highlights both of them, and you click on duplicate. Now, once you click on duplicate, you're going to click on duplicate into an existing campaign. So now, into an existing campaign, you're going to look for the campaign, which is this one. This is the one that we actually have duplicated from the initial. And also go back to the ad set and click on this one also, which is the one we also just duplicated recently. So you have it all. Now that you have it on, you're just going to click on duplicate. So it's going to duplicate into this entire system. Okay, so that's what's going to happen right now. It's going to duplicate into the entire system overall. Okay, so now if you go back, let's go back so that I'll show you something. If you go back, close. Okay, so now we're going to turn off all these deleted campaign, deleted ads, and deleted delivery, or deleted ad set, I mean. Okay, so now we are at the campaign level. If you take note, you can see that we have gotten back our previous campaign that was lost, which is this one. Okay, so if you tap on it, you go to the ad set level, you're going to see it has an ad set. This is the ad set. If you go to the ads level, you're going to see that it also has the ads as it was in the previous time. Okay, so what you can just do from here is you can just go on, make your proper editing if you have any editing to still do to it. If not, all you just need to do is turn off all the ads back, turn on the ad set back, so that you can go ahead to publish it and your campaign goes live. All right, so this is basically how you can actually get your deleted campaign, deleted ads back to life. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button just below this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to other people who is going to be helpful too. All right, so until I come your way next time, it's peace from me.